Now we move over to Washington, where a judge has imposed a full gag order on President Trump's former political advisor, Roger Stone. Stone appeared before a federal judge over a picture that he posted on Instagram, the social media app, that showed the image of the judge presiding over his case with crosshairs. Today, Stone admitted that he abused the gag order in the Mueller investigation, Special Counsel Robert Mueller's Russia meddling investigation, and Stone also called the post an act of stupidity. But the judge is not buying it and is changing the conditions of Stone's release. Let's bring in CBS News Washington correspondent Paula Reed at the White House. Paula, what do you make of what the judge decided today?
Well, this seems to be the right next step. A lot of people are asking whether or not Roger Stone would go to jail, but I predicted that instead she would try to restrict further this gag order on him, and the next time he violates this, that he could potentially go to prison. He could potentially be found in contempt of court. Now, during this hearing, what I did not expect is he took the stand. Mullah, he was a train wreck. He could not remember who brought him the photo, how many he chose, why he put it up in the first place, why he couldn't find one without crosshairs. I mean, he was an absolute disaster of a witness. He really did not do himself any favors on the stand. The judge would frequently chime in, asking follow-up questions. For example, when he revealed he had deleted any photos, plural, of the judge on his phone, she sort of chimed in and she's like, you had more than one? Didn't you have one that didn't have a crosshair symbol? So it was a very almost comical at times, sometimes tragic hearing for Roger Stone. But legally speaking, this is the next best step for this case to further restrict him. He is now not allowed to talk about this case at all. If he does, he could be found in contempt of court and wind up in jail.
All right, interesting details there from Paula Reed joining us from the White House North Lawn. Thank you, Paula.